Crazy thunderstorm we just had. Ain't it, Vin?
Yeah. It's like my first time seeing lightning in a while, to be fair.
Yeah, we ain't had many storms, have we?
Yeah.
Thought we'd make the most of it and get out for a little walk. Still spitting with rain now, innit? But
Some
fresh out here.
Some good fresh air for your lungs.
He knows it. Get your steps in as well.
Yeah.
Dog loves it. Still hear the thunder, but I don't know if you pick it up on the camera, but I think we'll turn around, mate, shall we? Starting to rain a bit more. Come on, Sky.
And it's like quite muddy.
Yeah, it's spitting more, definitely.
Yeah.